Burn your boats, burn your bridges. The phrase burn your boats comes from old stories of armies landing in enemy territory and burning their ships. This meant they couldn't go back. They had to fight or die. Similarly, burn your bridges means destroying your way back. Armies did this literally by burning bridges to stop enemies from following and to prevent their own soldiers from retreating. So, burn your boats or burn your bridges means making a big choice you can't change. There is no way back when you've burned your bridges. Example 1. Imagine a conversation between a couple on the brink of breaking up. Sarah: Matt, I think it's time for us to break up. Matt: maybe we don't have to burn our bridges. Could we still be friends? Here, burn our bridges means ending the relationship for good, with no chance of getting back together. Example 2. Imagine someone just received a fantastic job offer in another country. He might say, I'm excited about this new job, but also nervous. Taking it means burning my boats. There's no turning back once I sell my house and quit my job. In this case, burning my boats refers to making a life-altering change, like moving to a new country. Conclusion. The expressions burn your boats and burn your bridges remind us that sometimes we must make bold choices and fully commit. Next time you face a huge decision, remember these phrases. Have you ever had to burn your boats? Share your experiences in the comments below.